Hey guys, it's EasySyncs here, and today I'll be showing you how to customize this banner template I've made. It took me around 4 hours, but anyways, I'll be showing you how to change the text. So first thing you want to do is disable this first layer up here where it says your text sample. Now what you want to do, where it says your text, the orange layer, you want to change this layer with the text tool and type in your name. I'm going to use potato as an example. Then what you want to do is you want to press Ctrl J to duplicate the text layer. Once you've done that, you want to click on Filter. Go to Stylize, Wind, and then it's going to prompt you with this. Click on Convert to Smart Object. You should see a window pop up. For the method, you want to click on Wind. For the direction, you want to click on From the Right. Once you've done that, click OK. You're going to see these jagged lines, so that means you're doing it right. Next thing you would do is where it says your text sample, click on that, right click on Copy Layer Styles, go down here where it says your text copy, click on it, click Paste Layer Style. I almost forgot to mention a thing. There's this folder or group that says box name size, and click this arrow to collapse it, and you should see all these layers: small name, medium name, long name, extra long name. Choose one that fits according to your name length. Now, medium name fits mine, and if for some reason you're in like a situation where it doesn't fit your name, you can just move the left and right side of this, that fits your name. Like for example, if I wanted it like, say like this, and it's uneven from each side, as you can notice, press V on your keyboard while having nothing selected, and then press Ctrl A, and then click on this, which aligns the horizontal centers, and then click on this, which aligns the vertical centers. This is just in case if you move the layer, just so it's properly centered. So once you've done that, you can press Ctrl D and you're good to go. To copy the text layer, you press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and then click on Profile Pic PSD, make sure you've opened it, and then press Ctrl V. You should see it right here. Press Ctrl A and then click on this and that to make sure it's centered, in case if you moved it. You're gonna see this folder or group named box name size, and it is going to be a blue group, as you can see by the visibility box. And you're gonna notice that there are these layers inside here: small name, medium name, long name. Choose one that fits according to your size or one that you like. Now, I personally like long name because it looks cool. I don't know. I just like how it goes out of the picture frame, if that makes any sense at all. But this will do for now. When it comes to saving these, I would save these as JPEGs. I wouldn't save them as PNGs unless if you want the original file, which you can save 2 of them. One is a JPEG, one is a PNG to keep for yourself. Only reason why we're saving this as a JPEG is because of the file size. We're just gonna do the banner as an example. You would do the same steps for the profile pic PSD. You make sure that the quality is at maximum, make sure the slider is all the way to the right, and just copy these settings. Click OK, and it should start saving. So once you saved it, you're gonna go to this website, easygif.com/optijpeg. There will be a link in the description. You're gonna click on Choose File, and you're gonna find your banner or profile pic. You have to do these one at a time. You can't do multiple at once. Once you've chosen your file, you're gonna click on Upload. Now this may take a while depending on your internet speed, so just wait patiently. Now once it finishes uploading, you should see a box like this. Make sure the slider is all the way to the right. You should see a tick disappear. And then up here where it says Lossless only strips all metadata but has no effect on quality, make sure you click on this and you should see a tick mark appear. Click on Optimize Image. Sometimes you may see the optimized JPEG appear, and up above that you sometimes may see the original image. It'll tell you the file size and details up here. Same thing with the optimized. Now, it may vary depending on the length of your name and what you put, so it could be different each time. To save the file, what you want to do is click on Save, where it says under optimized JPEG, and it should automatically download. As you may have seen, I downloaded this before just to test it, but it's basically the same image. Just gonna look at this one and compare it to the original. You will repeat the same steps with the profile picture if you want to compress it. And say if you want to upload this for Steam or anywhere else, and if the file size is too big, just compress the JPEG again, that should work. Anyways, we're gonna compare them. Here we have the original JPEG, which there's not much to say about it except it's the original. We're gonna go check out the compressed one. There isn't much of a difference. Probably the only difference I'd say it's probably around here, maybe around these dark spots. I may be wrong, but there's probably more than what I'm saying. Anyways, thanks for watching this video.